Sun is out, y'all. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It is Saturday. It's a brand new day. Bright and beautiful day. The weather here is so pretty today. It's a little bit chilly, but we can handle it. The fam bam is out heading to the supermarket and to run errands. We'll be on the road a lot today. Can the fam say good morning?
Good morning.
Tyler, say morning, Faith.
Morning, Faith.
How are you? Yeah, so there you guys have good morning from the fam. You're in the car? What else you want to tell the Faves? What you want to tell the Faves? Say I love you guys. Take the pussy out your mouth.
I love you guys.
So see you guys later.
I guess later.
He's in a good mood for y'all today, okay? You guys, we're heading to the supermarket, do some runs, and handle some business on this road. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. It's the weekend, so y'all know how that goes. Family is always out and about, spending time together. Make sure you guys spending family time, spending time with your friends, spending time with whoever you want to spend time with, but just make sure you have a good day. Catch up and keep up with the fam, and if you're new to our channel, don't leave unless you subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in a bit.
Okay.
What happened? Yeah, Gisha. You're looking for Gisha. Ta-da! In the mouth. Pussy face. Yeah, pussy face.
I'm going to the supermarket.
Yes, you're going to the supermarket. And we're also going to another city. You know? So, girl. Guys, we're looking for chocolate eggs for Tyler to do Easter egg hunts like these. So I'm gonna get one of these so he can do Easter egg hunt, which will be really cute. They have all kind of variety of Easter egg in chocolate, all these decorations, looking so cute. It says Joyeux Pâques, means Happy Easter, and they have them in all different varieties. So there we go. My boy is growing, so I need to find him some more underwear. So I'm gonna try and see if I find underpants. So these are the ones that are like, he hits under like the brief looking, he likes the underpants shape. So we're gonna take one pack of these. Oh. Panotti. Papa say you're naughty?
No, I say nutty or panotti.
He's a panotti. Now to juice. Apple juice, of course. The only juice my household drink. Apple and orange. But we really pick orange juice. So apple juice it is. Tyler says he wants to nap. So he's napping on Papa jacket. Nap on Papa jacket, baby. Here. Nap.
Apple juice.
So Mama just put the apple juice in the car. Nap. Nap. Find it? Okay, good. Alright, let's go. Why do I feel like I lose the list? Babe found chicken liver. 2. Put them. Pick up fish sticks for Tyler so he can have some of these for lunch or dinner. What do you think we should do? Hey guys, we're having fun. Tell them where we are. Where are we? Where are we? We're in KFC. And sandwich. And what else? You guys, we stopped in KFC to have lunch because we're hungry and we'll be on the road for most of today. So, what are you gonna have? What are you gonna eat? He says it's lunchtime. It's lunchtime? Ice cream. You're gonna have ice cream? And what? Papa coming with the ice cream for you? Papa coming with ice cream for you? He just wants his ice cream. Papa coming with fries. He just wants his fries already. Bite it.
It's not too big.
Okay, that's fine.
The machine is strange.
The machine is strange? Why? Tatala is eating tenders and fries. And babe got this sandwich. It looks super yummy. And I got something called I got a wrap with chicken, but I got a max, but it looks super big. I should have taken a regular. So and ketchup, yeah. Say nom nom nomies. Ready to eat, babe? You're already eating.
Yeah. Hi.
You're a hot mess. So this is my wrap, you guys.
I give you a little.
Say hey guys, I'm naked.
I'm drinking a juice.
You're drinking a juice. You're drinking juice. He just told me, Mama, I want juice. Look at him. Look at him. He's about to go to bed, you guys. He's about to go to bed, and babe and I have been watching Homeland, not Homeland, How to Get Away with Murder. Look how shine my 40s. We've been back off the road, and I didn't cook today. I wouldn't call that cooking, what I made for dinner. And made dinner, and we've been watching How to Get Away with Murder. Probably this is like the 4th or 5th episode we've been watching since we got home. Yeah, so that's basically what's been up since we had a long day on the road getting stuff done, running errands here and there. But yeah, the day was pretty busy. And this little one is heading off to bed. You're going to bed? Nugget, you give the Fifth some of your juice? Can Fifth get some of your juice? Give them some. Thank you. Say night night, Fifth. See you guys tomorrow. Come, babe, let's end the vlog fast. And since Stella don't have any clothes on, look at him. You ready to go to bed?
Is my, how you say in English? Like is your, like my blood and my,
Is
like
your flesh and blood?
why flesh?
Flesh and blood.
Say flesh.
Flesh and blood.
Flesh and blood.
Yes.
That's more flesh and blood.
What's the French well, that's gonna be the Jamaican expression for today.
Okay, so that's the French expression
Wait.
for today is.
Go again, say it to us.
So the French expression for today is ma chair et mon sang. Ma chair, I think, is flesh, and blood is sang. So when you're talking about, for example, Tyler, say ma chair is like my skin, and my blood is mine. Is a part of me. He is a part of
That
me.
we say that in Jamaica. I don't know what you say in English or other country when somebody belongs to you. When it's your child, you say, him and me flesh and blood, or she and me flesh and blood.
Flesh and blood.
Flesh and blood, yes.
Flesh and blood. Okay,
Tyler,
ma chair et mon sang.
say flesh and blood.
It's a bird.
Flesh?
Yes, a bird.
Right.
Ma chair et
No.
mon sang, Tyler.
No, not this.
Why you always tell Fifth that they know? He enjoyed telling you guys that you're naughty. Say you're naughty, Fifth. Fifth's not naughty, it's you naughty. It's you naughty. You're naughty.
I'm watching a TV.
I'm watching the TV.
What else? If say Fifth, I'm watching a TV. I love how he mix the French and the English sometimes. What else you gonna tell Faves? Tell Faves.
C'est fini, Tyler.
Wait, tell Faves. Give this video a thumbs up.
And there's a big system knob.
Subscribe if you're
It
new.
was
Say subscribe.
new.
Comment.
Slowly.
Comment.
And
Say comment.
comment.
And press the bell.
It's a bed.
Catch up and keep up.
And good.
Catch up and keep up.
Mm.
Say catch up and keep up.
Get. And get. And get. A juice.
You're drunk, Tyler. Tyler, you're drunk.
Tyler,
You're drunk.
leave him. Say catch up and keep up.
Beep up.
See you tomorrow.
No.
Bye.
Bye.
Take the gish out your mouth. Bye guys.
Bye guys.
Mwah. Bye, guys.
Bye bye.